Good morning, Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estate here in San Juan del Sur. We are looking at a 3-bedroom house, 2 bathrooms, and we are 5 minutes south from San Juan del Sur city center in an area, residential area called Villas de San Juan del Sur. So this is a model just copy of a construction next door, and we repeat this model with the developer. So it's concrete blocks. It has like a rooftop terrace. All doors are like hardwood. Let's go in. So we came in through the garden. We have one first bedroom here on the side with ceiling fans, ACs, protection in the windows. The chair bathroom. I like the gray. It's clean. And the second bathroom, that chair also. So rooms are comfortable. Could they be like 12 square meters? The cabinet here to put your clothes and storage. So we have on the side here the living room, kitchen, the bar in Iceland, plus our entrance. And we check the third bedroom, which is like the master bedroom. It's a bit like wider and larger. The closet on the side, and as is private bathroom. Same size as the other one. So the house will come furnished. It has already been installed the kitchen, the stove, the fridge, and it's included in the cell. So it will be a sofa here, and you see there is a very impressive televisior. So it was called normally Casa Cinema. So they have some weeks more to finish to install the lights everywhere, put the sofa, some tables, there will be some bench here. And we go from outside to see our parking lot. So you have like 2 cars parking lot here. In front of us it's a reserve area. So it's a non-developed area in the development, which is, I would say, an opportunity to have no constructions near you. It has been built already on both sides of our house. So next door there are foreigners, bought last year, and here it's a Nicaraguan owner. So there is no more noise or constructions near. So let's go through. So I could also access to my garden on this side, this door. Let's go, and it's a bodega, so it's a inventory room or storage room, sorry. So we have our garden, the pool. There is the pool machines here on the side. A shower, they are missing to install ceramic on the wall to have like the garden shower, and we go to see our rooftop terrace. So rooftop terrace, I guess you use it after 5 p.m. or early morning. The sun is strong, so you will need to cover it. But you will have like space here for water and for power. Also some more light. So see where we are, you see you have like neighbors. So it's a very safe area. There is security at the gate at about 250 meters from here. The main coastal road is probably like 250 meters from us, so we don't listen any noise. So here I'm checking north, more or less, and south you have trees and nature in front of us. So normally the listing price is $160,000. I will just reconfirm again and be sure of what will include the construction. But normally it comes with all the furnitures, and they have to install sofa, tables, beds. You have already the TV, the kitchen stove, fridge, ACs, ceiling fans. He has also his water tank. So here it's you have 2 tanks of 1,000 liters, so 2,000 liters water reserve. Actually, the brief pass, I was scared that the wall will close the air flow, but really no, we see it, we feel the brief, and it feels good. Okay, hope you liked our tour. A construction like this will take like 6 months to be done. If you want to build your own property, this same developer actually will be like I will say a good contact to have, a good contractor to use for your own house if you need. You see, it's very standard, very simple, well done. I like the door. I see they are not like simple hands door. So here will be your living room. You have like an open corner sofa, I would say. And of course the huge TV. Okay, goodbye. Hope you had a good tour with me. Please contact us, send us some comment, what we could improve on the video, and also don't forget to contact us to see property, to check property, and to purchase property with us. Goodbye, good afternoon.